Hello guys and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this Maisto 4GT Heritage Edition from 2021. It is a very nice model, new model, and it is one of my favorite cars. So today we are going to unbox it and also take a look and see some details. So as you can see, it's the standard Maisto box. You see the recommendations here at the back. It is the 1 to 24 scale Audi R8 in red color, and in 1 to 18 scale the Cadillac Eldorado in pink color, and the assembly line. So now we are going to open it and take a look what's inside. So here we have the plastic base, the plastic protective case. This is very nice. And we have here, and here seals that we have to cut. And now we are going to unscrew the base. So now we have it off the base. And then I'm gonna remove the seals. So I removed the 3 seals and I opened all the parts so you see it completely open. First thing I've noticed is that here you see there is a center cap on the wheel, and here in the front we don't have it. That's not a good thing. I don't mind because I'm gonna replace the wheels with black wheels, but for someone that buys it and wants it to look as it should, this is a bust. Overall, as you can see, the quality is very good of the car. It has some imperfections, as you can see here, some scratches. As you can see, there are a lot of details. The headlights are looking good. The center logo here is nice. The front hood opens, and not much to see inside, but it opens. Good work for the carbon fiber decal on the hood. Those grills here are not perforated. I'm gonna replace them with perforated grills, but from the factory, as you can see, they are not perforated. The wheels look very fake. They have very good details, but they need a color adjustment because they look very plastic material, very toy grade. The disc brake looks good. The doors open up like this. The seats in the interior are gloss red color. uh, not quite the same with the real life car, but it is a nice touch. Inside you can see that there are not too many details, but it's okay. I like the fact that the underbody comes and unites with the interior, so we have realistic uh, chassis look. Doors close like this, they close very nice. You can see also the number has the carbon decal. Many details. Also at the back you see that it has a license plate that says GT, not like the real model car, but this is easy fix. And here is how the engine looks. This piece here opens up, it goes all the way until the back, and you can see the engine in there. Not much to see, but it looks okay. Of course there is a suspension system, and the wheels turn, and the steering wheel turns along with the wheels. The side mirrors also are carbon fiber look with decal, not the standard plastic carbon. Of course the mirrors are made from plastic. Very nice details. We see the carbon fiber details here at the back too. So overall it is a nice model car, it has nice details, but be aware that you may buy a model that has imperfections, so be sure to check it before you buy it. I bought it online so I couldn't check it, but anyway, it's a standard white color and I'm gonna replace the wheels anyway, so for me it wasn't so much harm done. But for someone that wants to buy it and have it in a good shape out of the box, be aware that you have to check it before you buy it. So that's all for today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.